Major, report to Bay 08, level A42. Kaiju, codename Knifehead, category 2.
Next part we have right here is the JMS booster pump. Not supposed to be any wire splicing. It's got a nice factory style connectors. Looks like it should be a plug and play system.
And so what's your thought on the booster pumps? Hunter, I may have asked you this before, but I get two feedbacks from the race community. Some people like it, some people don't. What's your thought?
They do work. This is a more simple, or I guess instead of doing a complete fuel system with bigger pumps and what have you, this, if you're needing just a little bit more or just that much more and not a full fuel system, this is the way to go. This route right here can save a lot of money and actually install time.
Turn the key on. Why not? Well, why are y'all even starting it up then?
This is Little Hunter. Hey, tell everybody your name, brother.
Blaine.
Blaine.
This came at a funny car.
Wow.
Lower, top fuel, cost.
And I'm gonna put this in my demon right now. Can I put this in my demon, Blaine? What? I can't put it in the demon. I'm gonna put it right in the. Here you go, Blaine. Hey man, y'all got me trying to take this man's push rod out. I mean, his piston out of it. Come on, man. Oh, he clubbing him down. Go on with it, Blaine. Blaine. Hey, you better not let me see that line around, Blaine. I'm gonna have it in my car. JMS came out with this thing. It works so good, so smoothly. You just plug it into the lines. It saves you a lot of time and a lot of work. I've been playing with it to make sure that it's gonna hold up and it's gonna do, man. And so far, everybody is really amazed and really happy with how simple that it goes. I don't even know if they have it out on their website yet. I know they was gonna add it to their website, but it's a brand new product for you Demon owners, for you Hellcat owners. If you wanna turn up without breaking the bank. this priest is. He tried to exorcise me, but something happened to his car. We took off, and what happened, man? We was going down the track.
Yeah, the throttle body shut off.
The throttle body shut off, and it just nosed down, right? Yep. Yeah, well, you know, that's what happened when I snatched the soul out of you. it just shut down. Look, I told him I was gonna get him. No, man, he said his car was kind of having problems. He was testing to me, right? Testing. Hey, we're gonna get another race.
Yeah, we'll get one.
Hey, but he was right there with me though. Right there, I had to control it on the feet. Hunter, what happened to him? He run up and got his soul snatched. Now what happened to him, Hunter?
Sensei said nobody beat
Stop
the
it.
demon
Stop
for
it.
2
Stop
weeks.
Stop it for 2 weeks. Is that what the Mustang people said?
We give you 2 weeks.
Okay,
and
2 weeks and then it's
hey,
over.
we lost the venom for 2 weeks. We'll be poisonous back in about.
Hey man, what's y'all thought on the new GT500?
I just see
760. They said. I think it's what it came out number.
625 foot-pounds of torque. What's your thought?
I don't know.
It ain't in demon territory.
Well, it ain't gonna be what they're asking for. They're gonna weigh over. They're gonna have 25,000 sticker, which is really bad.
Well, see, I think it's gonna beat everybody as far as markup. That's gonna be the number one thing it's gonna do. Hey man, I'm Demonology. You know what I'm doing? Snatching soul. Right, priest?
Yeah.
All right, y'all on exorcism.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.